Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Kraken to your bank account. Right, so the first thing we want to do is access the withdrawal feature. So sign into your Kraken app and tap the withdraw button or navigate to transfer, then look for withdraw from this main menu. The next thing is to select your currency. So choose the currency that you would like to withdraw. This obviously depends on what currency you have available. And then under the withdrawal type, select your bank or funding provider. If none of this exists, tap on the enter a new bank account. Then you need to fill in all the mandatory fields, including the account number, routing number. You can also create a unique description and ensure that the bank account name matches your Kraken account name exactly. You then need to enter the amount and just do a quick review of all of your information, and then verify all of your details are correct. Tap on the withdraw button to complete your withdrawal request, and within some time, depending on your region and your bank, your funds will be in your bank account.